So I want to show I want to show us how you can what's it called, how you can place trade, futures trade. And currently I'm on futures. So you just come down here, click on futures, down, the down right corner. So this futures, just click on it. So when you click on this, then you see here, you are here now. Now currently you can trade on cross or isolated, but most times I trade on cross. So that cross means, let's say you have $5 and you're trading with $1. If that $1 is taken out, then it will cross to the other remaining money you have in your account. You understand? So that's for cross. And it only happens when you are not using stop loss. But when you are using stop loss, it will only take you out where you have your stop loss. You understand? So um so that's for cross. If it is isolated, what you have as your position is the only thing it will take out. You understand? But I use cross, though I use stop loss. You understand? So now let's proceed. Then we have your leverage. Is your leverage. So it determines how much you can make in a short period of time. You understand? So you can increase it. You can type to increase it. So let's say 40 or 50 or 10. So I'm returning into 40 here. So let's proceed. Then what else do we have here? Now let's say I want to buy this market now. So from what we have here now, if you are buying at current market price, this current market price, if you are buying at if you have a buy limit, that is where you put your home price. You can see to be on limit, this buy limit, okay? Do you get that now? If you are on sell, this sell, same thing. So you can sell at current market price too. You can sell at current market price also. You understand? So that's it. So then you input your price, then the amount. So you adjust that from here. How much you want to put, adjust that from here. So you place the amount here. But I use this adjustment tool here. So I just drag it. Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10%, 2%, 1%. I just drag it. So it will take the percentage, this percentage from your account. You understand? That's it. Can we proceed? Alright. Now from there, if you place your trade, say we have let's see, I'm on current market price. So already I added something I want to trade with here. Let's say 23%. Then I will come here again. I'll click this side. See this side, to set my take profit and stop loss. Okay, I'll click on it. So you can see it brought out a drop down for my take profit and stop loss. Then I put my prices here, and after then I click on what? Buy. For market current, that is market price, it will trigger the option immediately. But if it is limit, definitely when you press it, the market will be set there for you. So whenever the price gets to where you are wanting to buy or where you are wanting to sell, then it picks from there. Hope you understand. So that is it. Very easy. Very easy. So that is how you place futures trade. on exchange, but I'm using Binance on Binance exchange. So I will still do on BJet, I will still do on Bybit and some other exchanges, Mex and the rest.